assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum, assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you, peace be upon you. If you are new to this channel, Arabic Shehab, be a part of Arabic Shehab community by subscribing to the channel with notification. Marhaban, marhaban, marhaban. Hi or hello, hi or hello. Ahlan, ahlan, ahlan. Hi or hello, hi or hello. Sabaahul Khair, sabaahul Khair, sabaahul Khair. Good morning, good morning. masaa'ul Khair, masaa'ul Khair, masaa'ul Khair. Good afternoon, good afternoon. masaa'ul Khair, masaa'ul Khair. Good evening, good evening. kaifa haaluk, kaifa haaluk, kaifa haaluk. How are you, how are you. kaifa taseerul umoor, kaifa taseerul umoor, kaifa taseerul umoor. How is it going? Ma akhbaaruk, ma akhbaaruk, ma akhbaaruk. What's up, what's up. Ma huwal jadeed, ma huwal jadeed, ma huwal jadeed. What's new, what's new. Ma ismuk, ma ismuk. What is your name, what is your name. kaifal haal, kaifal haal, kaifal haal. How is it going, how is it going. Min fadlik, min fadlik. Please, please. marhaban, kaifa yumkinunee musaaeadatuk. marhaban, kaifa yumkinunee musaaeadatuk. marhaban, kaifa yumkinunee musaaeadatuk. Hi, how can I help you. Hi, how can I help you. tasharraftu bimuqaabalatik, tasharraftu bimuqaabalatik, tasharraftu bimuqaabalatik. Nice to meet you, nice to meet you. shukran lak, shukran lak, shukran lak. Thank you, thank you. shukran katheeran, shukran katheeran. shukran katheeran. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. araaka Qareeban. araaka Qareeban. araaka Qareeban. See you soon. See you soon. araaka ghadan. araaka ghadan. araaka ghadan. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. salaamah. 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 Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. I appreciate it so much. If you want to get the PDF of this, you can ask for the PDF in the comment box below. If I see the majority of the request of PDF, I will try to give the PDF on our Telegram channel. If you haven't joined our Telegram channel, be sure to join our Telegram channel to get the PDF and all the resources in one place. Link in the description below or in the comment box. Please check and join. And thank you so much for learning Arabic and English with Arabic Shehab, and practice these in your daily life. If you think these are hard to remember, consider watching this video 3 times at least. May Allah accept your efforts towards learning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.